U.S. stocks ended sharply lower on Wednesday, with the Dow dropping 1.7%, the S&P 500 losing 2.25%, and the Nasdaq nosediving 3%. Speaking at the Economic Club of Chicago, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said larger-than-expected tariffs from President Trump likely mean higher inflation and slower growth. Powell added that the central bank is waiting for greater clarity before considering policy changes. Stocks added to early declines after Powell's comments. Michael Landsberg is Chief Investment Officer at Landsberg Bennett Private Wealth Management.
I think the market hoped that he would be clairvoyant and tell us where everything's going to go. I think there was talk there that the tariffs were going to affect earnings later on, and he didn't necessarily say how much it was going to be, but obviously the idea that it was larger than expected in terms of the tariffs, I think scared some of the market participants to say, hey, maybe earnings may decelerate more than we're expecting.
Among individual stocks, chip makers plummeted due to U.S. trade restrictions with China. Nvidia shed nearly 7% after the AI chip leader said it would take a $5.5 billion charge due to the U.S. government's limit on exports to China, a key market for one of its most popular chips. Rival Advanced Micro Devices, which flagged charges of up to $800 million, fell more than 7%. And shares of Dutch chip-making tools giant ASML also dropped 7% after it warned that Trump's tariffs had led to more uncertainty about its outlook.